hopping into a brand new video, coming live from the Shoe Palace. What's on the feet? Okay. Before we get into this, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. What we got going down today, I'm going to be taking the S15 out. We are taking it over to an exhaust shop. I'm going to try to add a resonator to this car. I love how it sounds. It's very unique. When it comes to VQs, I feel like this is like a one-of-one sounding VQ. A lot of people are asking, like, why does the car sound so different? Why does it not sound like an HR? Like, why doesn't it even sound like a VQ? It is the turbo kit design. It has an unequal length crossover pipe. The runners on the manifold are a lot bigger than stock. You know, when you start messing with the manifolds, on top of throwing a turbo on the car, of course, it is gonna sound different. Does it sound anything like this car? Absolutely not. This car still sounds like a VQ, just boosted. So like I mentioned before, I love how it sounds, but there is a little bit of like rasp that the car has after, I would say, like 4,500, 5K. So basically what I'm gonna try to do is add a resonator to it and see if we can eliminate that rasp. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Hopefully everything works out. I thought the car had a resonator already because it looks like one, but I talked to my guy that did the whole turbo kit for me and he told me it's not a resonator. So maybe we can take that off and replace it with a resonator. I don't know, I'm gonna try to do something. Hopefully by the end of the day, we can have this thing sounding crazy. Fucking crazy. Like, it doesn't even need more power. Dub won't hurt nobody. You ain't fitted if it ain't rubbing on turns. Alright guys, we are here. Ralph's Muffler. If you guys are in the IE area, come see him. It's like the only exhaust shop that I mess with. It's about to pull the Camaro out. We're gonna put the S15 on that lift. Let's see what's good. Hopefully we can get this thing sounding a little bit better. This car is so sick. Every time I see it, I just like fall in love. We got the Magna Flow in there. So if you look, we didn't even have a resonator. It looks like one, right? But down low, ain't shit in there. So yeah, should definitely make a difference.
So can you tell us how exactly and what daily days make the most money?
Alright, so right away, notice it's a little bit quieter on the startup. Very nice. So yeah, we went from having no resonator to a resonator. Guys, we in the Crackle map, so we're gonna hear how this thing's sounding. It's definitely a little bit more quieter at idle though, for sure. See how that bit's sounding. My man's on the bike in the lanes and everything. Where's your sir on, sir? Alright guys, let's hear how this thing's sounding. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Hold on, go ahead. Definitely sounds better. 100% the car sounds better. There's like zero drone now. Like I barely can hear the exhaust. Very nice. Yeah, exhaust definitely sounds better. It's not so like, ah. It's the best way I can explain it. It just sounds a lot more mellow now. Motorcycle cop. Stay away from that guy. He gonna try to fuck up my day. slower. Sheesh, there it is, guys. Got the S15 sounding a little bit better. Not that it was bad before, it was just like, it just had that little bit of rasp up top that I didn't like. But now I think it at least got reduced like 50%. It might still have a little bit. And he's like, if I don't like it, we can just go with a bigger resonator. He's like, if we really want, we could do an 18-inch. I think we did a 12, but I think it's fine right now. It's really mellow. You can still hear the burbles. Car still sounds good. I'm gonna be taking the M340 to him tomorrow to adjust the tips since we have the new diffuser. This is pretty much enough for a full video, so I'm probably just gonna end it here. Like always, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one.